Good morning. So, I probably look a hot mess. I hope I have nothing crazy on my face because I literally just woke up, put some clothes on. Um, Today's the day we leave for New York. So, I don't leave till 1. It's currently 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. I have to take my kids to school and stuff. So, but I've decided to change my bag because it's going to be cold. And I want more layers and I don't want to be freezing. So I need to change my bag. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do, um, which bag I'm going to switch my bag to. And I'm just pretty much going to add more layers because I don't need more clothes. I honestly don't, but I don't want to be freezing. So. Okay, so this is the original bag. It's like a weekender bag. And I literally have everything in there. Besides, I have a book bag that had my like immediate things in it. But I'm gonna go ahead and change it to this bag. So I mean, it's like a rolling bag, but it is carry-on size. So like I can take this on like Southwest and like put it in the overhead bin. It fits, but um so it's not huge. It just seems huge to that bag. And I just need to put more layers in my bag. So I'm just gonna go ahead and switch that real fast. I have to wake my kids up. We gotta get out the house. I've been contemplating going to get my nails done, but I think I decided this morning that I'll just put it off till next week because my nails aren't bad. Um, it has been 2 weeks, but I'm just like, I can go ahead and push it to 3 weeks and then get my nails done when I come back. So yeah, let's switch this. So it's a few hours later. It's 10:15. I'm just getting back home. I'm about to go in the house. I've pretty much finished packing. I want to make sure I have everything in my bag, and then I'm going to sit down and try and quickly edit a vlog. But I just went to the store, went to Target to get a couple things for my daughter for while I'm gone. She wanted like a certain Lunchable that I couldn't find at the other store yesterday, so I went to another store today. And I almost bought a book. I think I'm going to put it on my yeah, I did like a little video clip of it. I'll show you. But it's this book by this girl, Kennedy Ryan, and she's a black author. She's a woman of color. I don't know if she's black. Like her picture, she's definitely melanated. She's definitely got the melanin in her skin that is prominent. So she's a woman of color. I don't know if she's African American, but and then I was thinking to myself, I should read more African American authors. So yeah, we're gonna get that going somehow, some way. We're gonna do some research. But yeah, I'm gonna decide on my books. I'm only gone for 5 days, so I can't be taking like 5 books. It's unrealistic. I think I'm just gonna take 2. I've decided which 2 I'm gonna take, and then the one self-help book that I'm reading, that I've been pretty much reading just at night. Like I just read a little bit of it at night, and I think that's how I'm gonna get through it. And then I also have a book I'm listening to. So technically, I'm taking 3 books, more than enough. Yeah, so let's get in this house. I need some breakfast. Then I just need to finish up these little odds and ends, and then we're off. I'm off to meet my friend. I think I've said this already, that I'm riding with her. She's driving, and I'm riding with her to New York.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. way. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a...
Isn't that nice?
Tea house.
Oh!
We are way underdressed.
Oh my gosh.
For the tea house. That is so dope. Look at that. That's nice. Oh, this is it a wedding? It's a wedding. Oh.
Well, you don't have to be.
Ooh.
Not orange. Our own cider.
Oh.
So we have an apple, and this one is a blackberry and blueberry. I'll have that. Do you want to try it?
Don't
I'll
need
take
a
glass.
menu.
Everything I love.
That was easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was very easy.
So I've known you for 13 years. We're 12 years.
Can I be a pink? Can I also try a glass? Yeah.
Dude, like,
Oh, it's delicious.
These are
Like,
for your birthday. How do you
when
know
it's like blackberry
You know
and
that.
stuff like.
I know it was, I know
There's
it's
no way I've heard it before. It tastes like medicine.
You said it a few months ago.
That's what I'm like afraid
Yeah,
of.
so we're.
What you want, because it gets so cold now. I'm very thirsty. Same. I'm in culinary school at the moment. We were making pie crust today.
Oh.
It's hard. Yeah.
What were you said you're making what?
Pie crust.
Oh yeah, pie crust.
You're a baker.
I am.
You are?
I've went through this stage
We
that
both
you're
went-
at right
we
now.
both went to culinary school. Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm doing the lab-based culinary arts at Heights.
That's amazing.
I'm like halfway through.
Yeah.
Good luck. Yeah.
Well, you're fine.
Yeah.
We just came and jumped in.
We did. We're waiting on a table for dinner, and we found a bar while we wait.
Oh, I love the neck.
Oh my god! We don't usually have these. I don't know who's responsible for these.
So cute.
So the mural, which is my favorite part of the squad, it's so when I'm not at culinary school, I live up by the other squad. This was painted by a woman called Sharon Spiat, who lives in the town. And cheers.
To kill it with ice, and then we just add
Cheers.
one ounce of this, and then while we stir it together. It might work. Wanna try it?
I'm not wasting any dreams this Christmas. I've made my wish upon that star. The only dream of which my list consists is to always be wherever you are. This year there will be no praying for the snow to fall. It would not make a difference to me at all. No, I'm not wasting any dreams. This Christmas I've made my wish and it came true. no denying I'm as lucky as can be. This year the wishing star has shown its light.